Hello students, today we are going to dive into our next topic of grammar, that is direct and indirect speech. The contents of this chapter are direct and indirect speech, difference between direct and indirect speech, rules for the change in tenses, rules for change of pronouns and possessive adjectives, change in pronouns and possessive adjectives of the second person, pronouns and possessive adjectives of the third person, expressions of time and place in indirect speech, and statements. The flow of the lecture will be explanation. All the contents of the chapter given hereby will be explained in detail with the examples. Then the notes will be provided to you. Go through the explanations thoroughly and prepare notes, and exercises will be given to you for practice. Now, let us move towards the definition. Direct and indirect speech. Indirect speech is also called as reported speech. You may often be required to report what you have heard somewhere, right? There are two ways of doing that. You can reproduce the actual words of the speaker, or you can give the gist of his speech in your own words. Now, for example, if you go to watch a movie, after coming home, if you want to narrate the story, few dialogues you can speak in direct speech, right? But the whole story, if you want to narrate it, you'll narrate it in indirect speech. Let us see an example. Now, in actual words, the inspector said, comma, in inverted commas, I am glad to be with you today, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Now these are the actual words. Now to change it into indirect speech, that is called as in own words. The inspector said that he was glad to be with us that day, full stop. Let us see the definition of direct speech. When the exact words used by a speaker are reproduced, that is called as direct speech. When the meaning of a speech is conveyed in the reporter's words, that is called as indirect speech. Now, let us see the difference between reported speech and reporting verb. When the exact words of the speaker are reproduced, his entire speech is put within inverted commas. That is called as reported speech. Now, what is reporting verb? The verb said, which introduces the reported speech, is called as reporting verb. Usually a comma or colon separates the reported speech from the reporting verb. For example, the inspector said. Here said is reporting verb followed by comma. Now the reported speech is put in inverted comma. The reported speech is I am glad to be with you today, full stop, inverted comma, close. These whole words in inverted commas are called as reported speech. If we compare the direct and indirect forms of narration, we find the following points of difference. The direct speech is always within inverted commas, and it is separated from the rest of the sentence usually by a comma. No inverted commas are used in the indirect speech. Here you can see the example. Direct speech, you have to put inverted commas. In indirect speech, there are no commas. In the indirect speech, a conjunction, if necessary, is used to join the reported speech with the rest of the sentence. For example, Renu said that she was hungry. That is conjunction here. Tenses, personal pronouns like I, we, you, etc. Possessive adjectives like my, our, your, etc. And adverbs denoting nearness of time and place undergo certain changes. When the direct speech is changed into indirect speech, for example, the inspector said, comma, in inverted commas, I am glad to be with you, full stop. To be with you today, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Let us see how it changes to indirect speech. The inspector said, comma will be replaced by that conjunction. I will be changed to the subject of the reporting verb. The inspector, I will be changed to he. Am present tense will be changed to past tense. That he was glad to be with us today will be changed to that day, full stop. There are rules for effecting these changes. All these are discussed in detail below. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech remains unchanged. Let us see few examples. Ashu says. Here, the reporting verb says is in simple present tense, comma, Pammi is going to England, full stop. These words are placed in inverted commas. Let us change into indirect speech. Ashu says, you have to remove this comma and place the conjunction that. Pammi is going to England. Now here the reporting verb is in simple present tense. So the verbs in the reporting speech will not change. It will remain as it is. Is going, you can see here the verb is going in direct speech remains unchanged in indirect speech also. Let us move to the next example. The teacher will say. Will say the reporting verb is in simple future tense, comma, all the children have become very naughty. These words are placed in inverted commas. Let us change into indirect speech. The teacher will say, the comma is replaced by that. All the children have become very naughty. Here, the reporting verb is in simple future tense. Therefore, the verb in the reported speech will remain unchanged. Have become remains have become here. It is unchanged. So the teacher will say that all the children have become very naughty, full stop. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the changes in the reported speech are changed into a corresponding past tense. Here we'll study about the table. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tenses in the reported speech, for example, is, am, are will change to was, were. Was, were will change to had been. If had been it is, then there is no change in the reported speech. Has, have will change to had. had remains as it is, there is no change. If the reported speech is having the tense simple present tense do does, it will change to simple past tense did. Simple past tense did will change to past perfect, that is had done. Will, shall, in certain cases shall might be changed into should, will change to would. May, can changes to might, could. Would, should, might, could, ought to, used to. There is no change in the reported speech. Must changes to had to. Let us see few examples. Suresh said, Anuj is very successful. Reporting verb is in past tense, so let us see what are the changes in the verbs of reporting speech. Suresh said, if to remove comma, comma will replace that. Suresh said that Anuj is will become past tense was very successful. Second example, Suresh said Anuj was very successful. Suresh said, reporting verb is in past tense, remove comma, replace it with that. Anuj was will change to had been. Anuj had been very successful. Third example, Suresh said, comma, Anuj had been very successful. Suresh said that Anuj had been very successful. Here, had been, there is no change. Had been will remain had been. Next example, Suresh said, comma, Anuj worked independently. Worked is in past tense. Suresh said that Anuj past tense will change to past perfect. Anuj had worked independently. Next example, Suresh said, comma, Anuj had worked independently, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Suresh said, replace comma with that, Anuj had worked independently. Here, past perfect, the reporting speech is having the verb past perfect, so it will not change in indirect speech. It will remain as it is. Had worked will remain had worked. Next example, Suresh said, comma, Anuj will be quite happy. Suresh said that Anuj will be changed to would be quite happy. Suresh said Anuj must learn computers. Suresh said that Anuj must will be changed to had to. Anuj had to learn computers. Exceptions to Rule 2. If the reported speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact, its tenses remains unchanged. Now, let us see few examples of universal truth or habitual facts. My father said, comma, too many cooks spoil the broth, full stop, inverted comma, closed. The reported speech is a universal truth. Here, the reporting verb is in past tense, but the reported speech is a universal truth, so there will be no change in the verb of reporting speech. My father said, remove comma, replace it with that, too many cooks spoil the broth. Here you can see the verb remains unchanged because it is a universal truth. Though the reporting verb is in past tense, the verb in the reporting speech doesn't change. She said, comma, young children are very restless, full stop, inverted comma closed. The reported speech is a habitual fact. So, let us see the indirect speech. She said, replace comma with that. Young children are will remain are very restless because it is a habitual fact. So though the reporting verb is in past tense, the verb in the reporting speech doesn't change. If the reported speech describes a state of affairs which still exists when the speech is reported, its tenses remain unchanged. For example, he said, comma, in inverted commas, Uma wants to become rich by winning a lottery. Full stop, inverted comma, closed. Now here the reported speech makes a statement which remains true when the speech is reported. Therefore, the reporting verb in the reported speech will remain unchanged. He said that Uma wants to become rich by winning a lottery. Next example, she said, comma, in inverted comma, Ritu does not get along well with her husband, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Now here the situation continues to be the same when the speech is reported, right? So she said that Ritu does not get along well with her husband, full stop. So here the verb in the reporting speech remains unchanged because the situation continues to be the same when the speech is reported. Therefore, the verb will not change, though the reporting verb is in past tense. Now, let us see the table of personal pronouns. First person in the subject is I. When it moves to object, it becomes me. Second person is you in the subject. When it moves to object, it remains you only. Third person, he, she, it as a subject. When it moves to object, it becomes him, her, or it. Now, moving to the plural, first person we as a subject, it becomes us in the object. You as a subject remains you only. They, it is plural. When it is in subject, they, when it moves to object, it becomes them. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first person are changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Now students, you must be clear with the word reporting verb. I is the subject of the reporting verb. Said is called as reporting verb, comma, in inverted comma, I want to consult my parents, full stop, inverted comma, close. Now here, the pronouns, you have to change it according to the subject of the reporting verb. I said that I, you have to change I according to the subject of the reporting verb. So I will remain I, first person will remain first person only. Because reporting verb is in past tense, so the verb in the reported speech you have to change it into present tense will be changed to past tense. I said that I want will change to wanted. To consult my will remain my as per the subject of the reporting verb, my parents. I said that I wanted to consult my parents. Inverted commas you have to remove from the direct speech and put full stop. Let us move to the next example. You said, comma, in inverted comma, I want to consult my parents, full stop, inverted comma, close. Now here, the subject of the reporting verb. The subject of the reporting verb here is you, that is second person. You said, comma will be replaced by conjunction that. Now here the pronouns. First person, this will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. I will be changed to you. You said that you want, present tense will be changed to wanted. You wanted to consult. My will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. My will be changed to your parents. You said that you wanted to consult your parents, full stop. Now, the subject of the reporting verb is in third person. She said, comma, in inverted comma, I want to consult my parents, full stop, inverted comma, close. Now let us see what are the changes to be made in indirect speech. She said, now the pronouns in the reporting speech to be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. The subject of the reporting verb is in third person. So, she said that I will change to she according to the subject of the reporting verb. She want, present tense will be changed to past tense, wanted to consult. My parents will be changed according to the third person here, according to the subject of the reporting verb, to consult her parents, full stop. She said that she wanted to consult her parents, full stop. Now, pronouns and possessive adjectives of the second person are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Now, you must have understood what is the subject of the reporting verb. Now, let us see what is the object of the reporting verb. Ashok is the subject of the reporting verb. Ashok said to is reporting verb, and me is the object of the reporting verb. Ashok said to me, comma, in inverted commas, your parents are waiting for you, full stop, inverted comma, close. Now here pronouns and possessive adjectives of the second person are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Now, me is the object of the reporting verb, right? Your, you, according to the table previously, as I told you, you, your, it is second person. Now this second person, you have to change it according to the object of the reporting verb. Let us see how to change it. Ashok told me is said to. When it is said to, it becomes told. That you have to keep in mind. If it is only said, said remains said, but said to becomes told. Ashok told me that, comma will be replaced by that. Now, your, according to the object of the reporting verb, it will change, your will change to my. Ashok told me that my parents, because the reporting verb is in past tense, so are will change to were. My parents were waiting for this. You second person, according to the object of the reporting verb, second person will change to me. Ashok told me that my parents were waiting for me, full stop. If the reporting verb said is followed by an object, it is usually changed into told. as I've explained you here, said to becomes told. The verb told is not followed by the preposition to. Here, said to, just we have to write told. You don't have to write preposition beside told. Ashok said to you. Ashok is the subject here of the reporting verb. You is an object of the reporting verb. Now we'll move to the second person of reporting verb. How to make the changes. Ashok said to you, comma, in inverted commas, your parents are waiting for you, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Now here the object of the reporting verb is in second person. So you have to make the changes accordingly. Ashok said to will become told. You, comma will be replaced by that. Now you have to change the pronouns according to the object of the reporting verb. Reporting verb, object of the reporting verb is in second person. So the pronouns in the reporting speech will change accordingly. Ashok told you that your parents will be changing to were waiting for you. You will remain you only according to the object of the reporting verb. Now, let us move to the next example. Ashok here is the subject of the reporting verb. Said to will be changed to told. Him, it is in third person now. Ashok said to him, comma, in inverted commas, your parents are waiting for you, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Ashok told him, said to will become told. Ashok told him that your parents now will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Object of the reporting verb is in third person. Your parents will be changed to his parents. Are waiting will be changed to past tense, where waiting, are changing, present continuous will change to past continuous, where waiting for you will change according to the object of the third person, you will change to him. Ashok told him that his parents were waiting for him. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the third person remains unchanged. Now, let us see few examples here. I is the subject of the reporting speech. Said to will be changed to told. You is the object of reporting verb, comma, in inverted comma. He should be trusted, full stop, inverted comma, closed. He here is third person. Now pronouns and possessive adjectives of the third person remains unchanged. He is third person here, so it will remain unchanged. He will remain he only in the indirect speech. He told you that he should be trusted. Second example, you said, comma, in inverted comma, Sandeep should not have neglected his parents. Again here possessive adjective, it is in third person, so there will be no change. You said, said will remain said, comma will be replaced by that. You said that Sandeep should not have neglected his parents, full stop. Expressions of time and place in indirect speech. While changing the direct speech into the indirect, the following expressions denoting nearness of time or place are replaced by corresponding expressions denoting remoteness or distance if the reporting verb is in past tense. Let us see the table here, how the adverbs are changed. Direct speech, this, these, when it moves to indirect speech becomes that, those. Here will be changed to there in indirect speech. Now will be changed to then. Ago will be changed to before. Today will be changed to that day. Yesterday, that day or the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Next week, next year, etc. will be changed to the following week or the following year, etc. Last week or last year, etc. that will be changed to the previous week or the previous year. Now examples. He said, comma, in inverted comma, I shall discuss this matter next week, full stop, inverted comma, closed. He said, comma, to be replaced by the conjunction that. I will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. He said that he shall will be changed to would. Discuss, this will be changed to that matter. Next week will be changed to the following week, full stop. Next example, she said, comma, in inverted commas, we shifted to this house 2 weeks ago, full stop, inverted comma, closed. She said, comma will be replaced by conjunction that is that. We shifted, we will be changed to they according to the subject of the reporting verb that. They, past tense will be changed to past perfect, had shifted to. This house will be changed to that house. 2 weeks ago will be changed to before, full stop. Different kinds of sentences are rendered differently in the indirect speech. A question or a command cannot be reported like a statement. There is a different set of rules for converting each kind of sentence into the indirect speech. Let us now learn these rules. Statements. All the examples taken so far consist only of statements, so the rules should be pretty clear now. Still, let us sum up again. First point, the reporting verb said is usually changed into told if it is followed by an object. If there is no object, it is left unchanged. For example, said, if reporting verb is said, it remains said in the indirect speech. If it is said to, it changes to told in indirect speech. That is used as a conjunction in indirect speech. Tenses, pronouns, and possessive adjectives and words denoting nearness of time or place are changed according to the rules already stated. Some other words that can be used as a reporting verb in place of said are, you can use these words like add, assure, object, remind, answered, complain, explain, denied, replied, point out, answer, promise, argue, remark. Let us see few examples. John said to me, comma, in inverted comma, I shall return your books in time, full stop, inverted comma, closed. Now here, by reading the sentence, I shall return your books in time. Here, John is giving assurance. So instead of told, you can use the word assured. John assured me, comma will be replaced by that he would return my books in time. Full stop. I said to the shopkeeper, comma, in inverted commas, the eggs you gave me yesterday turned out to be rotten. Full stop, inverted comma closed. Here, now by reading the sentence, we can understand it is a complaint. So, instead of told, you can use the reporting verb complained. I complained to the shopkeeper that the eggs he had given me the previous day had turned out to be rotten. The chapter will be continued in the next video. Stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Thank you.